Hi future peoples, welcome to our first online lesson. So today we're going to start with something really simple. What is a system? Okay, so let's take a look at what is a system. Today we have a question to think about. The first question and the only question, what makes up a system? Okay, let's run through together. Let's talk about non-living things. For system, usually we talk about non-living things because in our book A, we talk about living things. Then after that, we talk about materials. So right now, we are talking about systems. A system is made out of many parts. For example, let's just take a look at this bus. Now, can you wonder what are the parts that make up the whole bus? Or the different parts that make up the bus? For example, the steering wheel, the engine, the lights, the aircon, even like the automated door, even the EZ-Link card where you can scan your EZ-Link card. All this make up the entire system. Of course, there are many more examples. Let's not dwell on it. Let's move on, alright? So some systems like the bus and the car are man-made systems. Remember, they are man-made, they are not living things. So that's why they are non-living things right now. There are many smaller systems in the bus and the car which have to work properly to keep the vehicles moving. Like what we say, the engine, okay? So, the question is an important question. What if one part of the system fails? Now always remember, if one of the parts fail, it means that the whole entire system cannot work properly. Okay? So let's imagine if I take an aircon bus and then the aircon breaks down. Do you feel comfortable? Would you like to alight and get the next bus? Or let's have an example. If the bus travels halfway and then there is a tire puncture. Now, what happens? Everyone has to alight right now, okay, and hop on to the next bus. Okay, let's take a look at the sleeper here. The sleeper shown below are made out of parts. So before the slipper can be worn for walking, the parts must be put together properly first. Now you could see that actually this slipper had the part where you use your toes to hold on to the slipper has already come off right now, and that means that you actually cannot wear this slipper anymore. So this system is no longer working well right now. So do you think a slipper is a system too? Definitely right now. Because so many parts make up a slipper. Can it work properly if its strap is snapped? Oh, of course not right now, okay? Now, if we talk about living things, okay? Every living thing, plant or animal is a natural system. They are not man-made. A living thing is made out of many parts. Each part does a special job. Just look at us. We have so many senses right now. Sense of sight, sense of smell, sense of touch, hearing, all that right now. And smell as well right now. So you see, these parts must work together so that we can enjoy the food, we can enjoy the scenery, we can hear people's conversation. If one of the parts is not working properly, of course, it's not going to function too well right now. So all the parts work together to keep the living things alive. I'm sure you can know this. Our heart, our lungs, our brain, right? They are all form the parts of a system in our body. Continue. So what makes an animal a system? Animals have special parts to carry out their needs. When we say carry out the needs, for example, we are talking about being able to take in air, food, water, removing waste from their bodies as well. So all this actually form parts of your life processes. Okay? The eyes, the mouth, nose and ears are some of the parts of animals that help them achieve these needs. Likewise for us, right? Let's talk about plants. A plant is also a system. A plant is made up of parts such as the stem, roots and leaves. Actually, you learn about plant parts in your P3 topic right now. Remember, we did animals, then we went on to do plants. And we're done. So, what we're just trying to say in this topic is every part needs to work together. If they work together, this system is functioning. If one of the part is not working properly, then it doesn't work too well. Now let me just show you a few examples of non-living system. Look at this. Calculator. Now look at calculator. Actually, calculator is made up of a lot of parts. Imagine this. If a calculator doesn't have a screen, no matter what you press, you never know whether you're keying in the right thing or not. Okay? Or if they have a screen but they don't have any numbers for you to press, same thing. You also cannot allow this calculator to function well, right not? Okay? And we are done for this topic. It's a very simple topic. Do you understand this now? Okay? I'll see you in the next slide, alright?